So there you guys can see how it can recover. So even being knocked, like hitting those branches, any other drone would have flew right to the ground.
This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video.
So it comes in a nice carry-in pouch to protect your drone and controller and accessories. This is your controller. You have your little Joy-Cons, so the little thumb joysticks right in here. So you go ahead and you just kind of pull them out. So they're going to be right under here. Then you can place your cell phone in between here. And you just hold it from the left to the right. Here's the drone. Now you want to make sure you remove this plastic right on here and the lens that's protecting the front when you're actually going to fly it. But I would say it's light to medium weight. It's got a good balance, so it should be pretty fun to fly. SD card goes in the back. You can charge it from the back Type-C cable. Put the battery in the back as well. Cameras and sensors on the bottom. Once the lens is off, you can see the camera right up in here. Make sure you remove the plastic that protects the camera lens. So there you guys can see how it can recover. So even being knocked, like hitting those branches, any other drone would have flew right to the ground and crashed. But this drone, it regained its position and balance, making this drone one of the best drones I have reviewed in a long time. Very fast drone. It drops fast, it flies up fast, as you can see. Overall, this is a drone that I absolutely am gonna have a lot of fun playing with. Just by the controls right away, I can tell it's gonna be a lot of fun. So the battery is lower, it is blinking. So we are going to bring it back. We don't want to go too far, just because with a low battery, when it starts blinking, you want to bring it or keep it close to you. Because, well, yeah, you just don't want to run out of battery. Overall, extremely fun drone. Very impressed. And the stability of it is very well. So we're not controlling it. It's just hovering as is. So I like that you can easily see in the daytime the green battery light, and then underneath you can see it blinking, letting you know, hey, it's time to come home. But overall, very nice. Love it.